Ciao.
Let's talk about how to quick and easily vet a new mechanic. So no matter if you are new to this space or you're on a road trip and you need to find a new mechanic, I would pick 3 with good reviews in your area and then ask them all the same exact question. So let's say, for example, your car's not starting. I would call them up and say, hey, my car's not starting. I need a diagnosis. Can you tell me how much that would cost? And each and every single one of them, you're going to judge them based on how nice they are to you on the phone and how much it's going to cost. And based on those 2 factors, you'll make a decision. There are 2 other ways that you can triple check on your own as long as you have cell reception. The first one is called repairpal.com. They actually have an estimator tool. And the second one, of course, is you can call me and I will help consult you through the repair and make sure that you're not getting taken advantage of and that those repairs do actually need to be made. It is always a good idea, even if you have AAA and you're going to a AAA certified shop, to just triple check that shop against other shops, because then you'll have kind of a general average of pricing and the repair itself. That's always helpful just because there is no regulation as far as pricing goes in the automotive industry. So hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.